Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. It's awesome that you are here because today we're continuing setting up this shop to be a bowyer shop so that we can make bows. And today we're focusing on tool organization. In the last video, we painted everything that you see, and then I finished out this little door back here and everything else. I went ahead and put some mats down so that it's softer to walk on than the concrete where the work table will be, where I'm gonna stand the most amount of time. And today the focus is putting tools up all along this blue wall back here. You see, because my love language is convenience. It's being able to get to what I want exactly when I want to. And that might seem selfish, but I think it's more of a hyper-productive state. If I'm gonna be building bows, I wanna be building bows, not looking for tools, not looking for glue, not looking for anything. So I'm gonna try to make this, have this giant wall. I'm gonna have like every tool I need, every hand tool I need up on that wall in a very organized, specific way so that I can group like tools together and then I'll have an exact specific location for every single tool. We are going to accomplish this by placing every tool in an organized fashion on the wall and then tracing them out so that there's an outline trace. So if a tool's off the wall, you see exactly where it goes. This system should hold me accountable so that if a tool is missing off the wall, I will know it's missing and I'll be reminded to put it back where it belongs. Don't do that! Come on, you shine! That'll do. Is that even straight? Oh yeah, muy bueno, bueno. Ah, you darn bent screw. That's the problem. Almost with the camera. Oh man. I wonder if I can still reach it. I can. I'm gonna put a block there. Stay. Everything. That's not gonna work, is it? I'm gonna need to. Why do I do things the hardest way possible? Come on. Now that block's not screwed in. Now I'm stuck. What if I, yeah. Do not fall. Oh man, this is awkward. Oh no. Oh man. Now what am I gonna do? Alright, let's try to get one in up here. I think I got one in for the moment. Oh, I just split it. Come on. Okay. Oh, no, it's too far in. just too far. Oh, hey, oh man. Hold it out. What if I? Yeah, right there. Don't move. No. Split. Okay, that's good. Is that cricket? Oh no, that's good enough. My hand still doesn't reach. Alright, back up with it. Alright, let's get it. Ha! You got nothing on me, sign. I got all the hand tools up. I think I'm gonna do all the hand power tools on this side later, but for now I wanna look at the plan for the layout. So this is the tool wall up here. And then I have got, I called it the glue station. That's gonna be right over there. And then I wanna build a heat box up above it on the wall so that as I get into making more and more laminated bows, I can use that. But I want it on the wall because most heat boxes I've seen people make are on the ground. They gotta bend down into it and that doesn't look any fun. It'd be much nicer, I think, to have a front door open down heat box on the wall so I can just open it with hinges, set it straight in, pull it straight out, and that could be on the wall above the glue up station, which is right here. So I can maximize space, use that wall space, and then I can glue up right on the countertop, and then when I'm done gluing it up, I can just set it right into the heat box, and I can bring it down, unwrap it, keep that the messy area, and then over here, this makes me so happy. I really like organization. Here I have the workbench. I don't know where this is gonna go. I'm trying to figure out where's the best place to put it so that I can be the most efficient when I'm working. But I'm gonna get a standalone vise, and so I want that to be super sturdy, and I want that main area where I'm gonna maybe be carving bows, working on knocks, depending on what it is, right here. And then I'm gonna do a tillering station right next to it. So I want the tillering station to be right here along the wall, build a tillering tree or a tillering board, and then that way I can work from the tools to the vise, tillering board, and then come over to the workbench if I need to for anything else. The bottom of the shop, closer to the door, I want to put all the power tools, so bandsaw, sanders, anything like that, so I can have a little dust collection over there so that I can keep this full side to all the hand tools, and then just dust on the ground, I can sweep and vacuum that up, and then all the power tools that will produce a lot of dust, then I can have that all in one area and I can collect dust a lot easier that way. Hey guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today. That's all the time we have. If you like this video, subscribe because we're racing up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2019. As you've heard, and I might be annoying you by saying that, but in faith, I decided to set that goal because sometimes you gotta believe in something that you can't see. So we're reaching for it, we're going for it. Thanks for joining me. Organize your shop and have a great day. We'll see you later. It's not only looks good, it's sturdy, so if anything gets hit anywhere, nothing's falling off, so that's really good. Except this chisel.